What girl wouldn't stand out in a crowd in that dress?
We have a lot of different styles and different flavors. Whatever you're looking for, we've got a little bit of everything.
The Society of Organized Services in Parksville offers a gradwear program, and the collection has something for everyone.
We have more traditional gowns, if that's what you're going for, ball gowns, Cinderella styles. We also have some vintage pieces, which are nice to sort of be funky and play around with. So same with tuxes. We've got more traditional tuxes and then also some vintage tuxes and styles as well.
For a cost of only $5 an outfit, the program offers an affordable option for grads.
We're able to do that because of the generous donations of people from the community who will donate to us new or gently used gowns, tuxes, suits, and it's really nice for us because we know how difficult it can be for families when you're looking at the cost of graduation. It can be huge.
Grad is something that can become very, very costly for many families. It's hundreds of dollars for accessories alone.
All accessories are included in the $5 cost, and it's all coordinated through a private shopping experience.
They have a one-on-one appointment, and the room is kind of theirs. They're able to really take their time to go through all of what we have here and try on as much as they want. They can bring a friend, or they can bring a family member, or their date for grad. And they get to spend the time to make sure that they feel good in it. We have change rooms right on hand here, and so it's away from the thrift shop, a little more private, and yet it also, we hope, makes people feel a little more special.
The SOS's Gradwear program has been successful for 7 years, and they're always accepting donations for next year.
If you have a dress or tux or accessories that you think would be appropriate, absolutely donate them to us. We'd love that.
We also get feedback from parents saying, thank you so much. We weren't sure what we were going to do or how we were going to afford to be able to get the outfit that she was looking for or my son was looking for. So it really is about supporting family, and it's been very well received. Also, people who bring their gowns or their tuxes in are thrilled to know that a young person is going to wear it and that they're going to make a difference for somebody.
Donations can be dropped off at the SOS at 245 West Hurst Avenue. In Parksville for Shaw TV, I'm Kelly Robinson.